welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be looking at how to solve questions involving what water or what crystallization. I've come across this type of question several times in JAMB, whereby we add water crystallization to the compound. So how do we what get the percentage composition of the water or what crystallization? And the question I have on the board which says calculate the percentage composition of water or crystallization in the compound sodium carbonate decahydrate. Mass of sodium 23, carbon 12, oxygen 16, hydrogen 1. And the B part says calculate the percentage composition of all the elements in sodium carbonate decahydrate. So let's, without wasting much time, break it down. Break it down. Before we go deep into it, let's first and foremost understand the formula for solving this. The question says calculate the percentage composition of water crystallization. So to get water crystallization, we say mass of water of crystallization over molar mass times 100 over 1. Understand this first. This is the formula to get what the percentage for the what water crystallization. Mass of water crystallization over molar mass times 100 over 1. The next thing we do is to go what bring out the compound. We have what sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate Na2. We have carbon. Then we have oxygen. Now, if you notice, this sodium has two atoms. We have two atoms of what? Sodium here. So here we what? 2 times number of atoms of sodium times mass or atomic mass of sodium times 23. 2 times 23. Our carbon here is we have one atom of carbon. One atom of carbon times mass of carbon 12. Our oxygen here is 3 atoms of oxygen times mass of oxygen 16. Okay? Let's solve this out. 23 times 2. This will give us what? 46. This will give us 12. 3 times 16. This will give us what? 48. Let's sum up these three together. 46 plus 12 plus 48. This will give us 106. Now let's go to what? Water crystallization. 10H2O. Decahydrate. So this will be 10 into, we have 2 atoms of hydrogen here, 2 times mass of hydrogen 1 plus 1 atom of oxygen here, 1 times what? Mass of oxygen 16. This will be 10 into what? 2 plus 16. This will be 10 into 18. 10 times 18. This should give us 180. Yes, this will give us 180. What we just have to do is to sum up these two masses together. Let's sum up these two masses together. 106 plus 180. This will give us what? 286. 286 gram per mole. Gram per mole. This 286 gram per mole is our what? Molar mass. 286 gram per mole is our what? Molar mass. Let me just indicate it by 2 capital letter M. Our molar mass. The question says calculate the percentage composition of what? Water of crystallization. Now, water of crystallization, I think we have it here already. This part of the compound, our decahydrate, which is 180. So our mass of water crystallization is what? 180. Using this formula, we just slot in our parameters. It will now be what? 180 over molar mass of the compound. The entire compound is what? 286 times 100 over 1. Let's solve this out. 180 times 100. This will give us 18,000 over 286. 18,000 over 286. 18,000 divided by 286. This will give us 62.937. Let us approximate it to 62.94%. So, therefore, our water of crystallization in the compound is what? 62.94. So this is how you solve questions involving what? Crystallization of water when added to what? The compound in question. Now let's go to the B part. I added this B. I will have explained this in a separate video, but because of the closeness of the proximity of the exam, that's why I added this to the A part. So I just get your concept once. Calculate the percentage composition of all the elements in sodium carbonate. And we're going to solve for what? The percentage composition of all. To get, permit me to share the board, please. To get the percentage composition of all the elements. Starting with sodium, it will be what? 2 times 23. Don't forget, we have 2 atoms of sodium here. 2 times 23 over a molar mass of 286. 286 times 100 over 1. This will give us what? 46. Yes. 46 times 100. That's 4,600. 4,600 over 286. This will give us 16.1%. That's for sodium. It said calculate the percentage composition of all the elements in sodium carbonate. Okay. The next one is carbon. We have just 1 atom of carbon here. 1 atom of carbon. So it will be 1 times mass of carbon, 12 over 286 times 100 over 1. That will be 12 times 100, which is 1,200. 1,200 over 286 divided by 286. This will give us 4.2%. 4.2% for carbon. We'll go to the next element here, which is what? Oxygen. We have 3 atoms of oxygen here. So here we want 3 times sorry, it's not the theory. We have 3 atoms of oxygen here, and we have 10 atoms of oxygen here. We add them together, it will be 13. It will be 13 times mass of oxygen, 16 over 286. Please understand what happened here. We have 10 atoms of oxygen here and 10 atoms of oxygen here. They are in the same compound. So we have to add oxygen together to give us 13. That's why what is 13. And this 16 is from the mass. Okay, let's continue. Times 100 over 1. If we do that, 13 times 16 is equal to what? 208. 208 times 100, that's equal to what? 20,800 over 286 divided by 286. This will give us what? 72.7%. 72.7%. Our hydrogen, we have two atoms of hydrogen here. Two atoms of hydrogen. So it might be 2 times this 10. Or, okay, better still, let's say we have 20 atoms of hydrogen because of this 10 here. 20 atoms of hydrogen, it will be 20 times 1, the mass of hydrogen, over 286 times 100 over 1. This will give us 20 times 100, that should be 2000. 2000, this will be 2000 divided by 286. 2000 divided by 286. This will give us 6.9. Okay, 6.99. This will give us 6.99 equal to what? 7. Because if we approximate here, it becomes 10. So to the nearest number, it becomes what? 7%. Let's add all these our percentages together and see what to give us. We have 16.1 plus 4.2 plus 72.7, 72.7 plus 7. Let's sum it together and see what to give us. 16.1 plus 4.2 plus 72.2, 72.7 plus 7. Yes, this gives us what? 100%. These are, you know that your answer is correct. When you sum up all the percentages together, you have to round up to what? 100%. I believe you have understood this video, this work we just done, but I'm going to leave you with a practice question to what? Try out and see how far you understand what we just did. Guys, here on board is your practice question. What is the percentage composition of water in copper tetrahydrous of a 6 pentahydrate? You have the mass number of copper, sulfur, oxygen, and what? Hydrogen. And you have the options here. One of these options is the correct answer. When you solve it and you got your answer, you can drop it in the comment section. I will reply to you if you are correct or not. If you found this lesson helpful, you have to subscribe to this channel and share with your friends. Thank you.